Hello and welcome to English 101 for week 3. Um, this week you are supposed to submit the final draft of your technology essay. We're finishing up the tech module. And if you're looking at the calendar, which is where I am, so I clicked on the calendar tab to the left on the navigation bar, you will see that this week you are working on the technology essay. In order to know where to upload your essay once you have completed it, and it's due later in the week, you'll go to the Assignments tab, which is on the left on the navigation bar. Simply click on that tab and uh, scroll down for where your tab is for the technology essay. Once you open that tab, you should get more information about the actual prompt for this technology essay. Once you've completed the essay, and of course make sure that it is about 3 to 4 pages, double-spaced, typed in Verdana font, size 12, with the proper heading and a nifty title, and with the proper in-text citation. Remember that for this particular essay, you will need a minimum of 2 articles from the Common Readings and 2 from your own research, preferably from the library's database. Once you've integrated all of those articles and the ideas correctly into your essay and you've created a works cited page, then go ahead and upload the final draft of your essay by simply hitting the Browse My Computer tab to have your computer search for wherever you've saved it, whether it's on a flash drive or on a cloud saving device, OneDrive or Google Drive or your own computer, and then you'll hit open once you've found your essay. Your essay will get to me once you hit the submit button. It will not get to me if you do not hit the submit button, so please do not forget to hit the submit button. You may also be asked to have your essay go through the plagiarism software and just hit yes, safe assign that it's okay to do so, and it'll just kind of check your essay. You'll get some information about it perhaps, and I will as well. And so that's it. The final draft of your essay, your tech essay, is due this week, and then once you've submitted it, you may begin the EDUC module with it, which is the education module, and that is the next module for this particular class. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.